Hello. I've been using the new Silk Epil 7. It's been, I think, like a month or two since I've been using this one, but I haven't used it on my bikini area. Now that I have been waxing and I know the pain of waxing, the way that hair grows after waxing, I feel would be less painful now to use it as my hairs are growing back. I don't know if that makes sense. Yeah, I feel like I'm tough. I feel like I can handle this. If I've handled waxing, I feel I could handle epilating. So we're gonna give it a try right now. We're gonna try it, we're gonna just do it. I'm gonna show you everything I do. I'm gonna show you all the steps of how I epilate today. I'm just gonna do it right here in front of my mirror. I'm gonna get in the position that I get when I go to get waxed. I heard some tips to start first and the direction of the hair, and then sideways, and then lastly, because it hurts the most, to go in the opposite direction. So I'm gonna try those tips. This video is going to be raw and real. I'm gonna show you everything. I mean, I will show you my reaction. Saying, okay, you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna keep it PG, obviously. It's going to be a real epilating. Hopefully I don't back out. Let me. Okay. Here's my epilator. I am gonna do it with the little beads. What is it called? The massage roller cap. Because you can take it off and just epilate with this by itself if you're a pro. But for my first time, because I'm trying the bikini area for the first time, I will leave the cap on, just for less pain. Guys, I'm actually scared. I can do this. I can do this. I'm scared. I'm gonna start with just the first setting. Oh, I'm nervous. Okay. Okay. I was about to say, okay, it's not that bad, but it is a little painful. Ow. Ow, that hurts. Fudge. Ow. Oh, that hurts. Ow. Whew. Okay, it hurts, but I can take it. Maybe I should stand up. Ow, my neck. Thinking I should take the cap out because it'll be easier. Let's try it. Whew. Break. Okay, I'm doing like my whole right side first, going the opposite direction now. Okay. Ooh. Oh God. Completed one side. I'm gonna do the other side now. Ow. Ow. Break. It is helping to just start first, going in the same direction first. It's still painful, but it's like probably a lot less painful. Now I'm gonna do sideways, which a lot of the hairs actually go in that direction, so it's kind of painful sideways as well. Ooh, it's really painful. Oh no. I don't know what it's telling me. But let's hurry up and finish. Okay. Almost done, almost done. Okay, my legs are getting tired of being in this position. But I need to finish because it's telling me something, and I think the battery's going low now. Whew. I did it, guys. I finished epilating my bikini area. I'm so happy with the outcome. I never thought it would be possible to epilate. I just thought it was unbearably painful, but I did it. Yes, it's painful. I feel that because I did the waxing for so long, that kind of helped develop a, what would you call it? Like a pain resistance, like a pain tolerance. If you want to try epilating, I definitely suggest first trying waxing. I'm gonna show you everything I use for after hair removal in that area. These are products I bought at European Wax Center. I'm not gonna go wax anymore. Waxing is done for me, but I might go back just to buy these products. I don't know yet. It's important to take care of the skin in that area. I exfoliate with this exfoliant. This is what I use in the shower to exfoliate the skin in that area. I use that once or twice a week. This is the other thing that I use. This one comes in little wipes, like round wipes. This one helps treat and prevent ingrowns. This one I use almost every day. After I get out of the shower, I just wipe the area, let it air dry for a bit, and then I get dressed. This one is more of a like a clay with like the little beads with like the rough texture. When I do use this one in the shower, I don't use the pads. And then I use their serum. I don't know, they told me this is the one that they use. I try to use it every day, but I honestly don't. I use it maybe a few days a week. Yeah, it was kind of tough today since it was the first time fully epilating myself, but I feel like it wasn't so bad, and I feel that the more I do it, the better I will get at it, and maybe the quicker to it. It probably did take me quite a while, but after epilating today, this little thing is gonna save me so much money, and I'm so happy about that. I'm so satisfied and so happy with this outcome, and yeah, I'm excited that I will be waxing no more. I'm trying to save. The economy isn't the best right now, so I am beyond excited that I will not be spending money on waxing anymore. Like I said, the pain is only for a moment, but as you take the pain and just continue passing the epilator through, it gets easier. Honestly, highly recommend it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope this video was somehow helpful to you or inspires you to just give it a try. Give this video a like or leave a comment. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. Bye.